In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments to emails using Mailchimp. You might already know that Mailchimp doesn't allow direct attachments to emails. This is largely due to the fact that attachments can increase the risk of emails winding up in spam folders, as well as potentially impacting the overall deliverability. However, there's no need to fret because there's a really simple workaround that still allows you to share files with your subscribers effectively. The solution involves uploading your files to Mailchimp and then incorporating a download link into your email. Let me guide you through this process step by step. First, you need to make sure you're logged into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left side panel where you'll find the option labeled Content Studio. Think of Content Studio as your central hub for managing all files and images you wish to use in your campaigns. Once you enter the Content Studio, you'll be under the Uploads tab. This area showcases all the files you've already uploaded and is exactly where you'll be adding your new file. To upload a new file, look for the Upload button. It's typically easy to find, so give it a click and opt for the file you want to share from your computer. This action uploads your file to Mailchimp, storing it in the cloud, which allows you to distribute it easily with your email recipients. Once your file is uploaded, Mailchimp will automatically generate a unique URL specifically for that file. This URL is incredibly important because it serves as the gateway for your audience to access the file, so be sure to copy it as soon as it's available. Armed with your file URL, it's time to incorporate it into your email campaign. Navigate to your email campaigns either by creating a new one or by opening an existing one you'd like to edit. Within the email editor, you have a couple of options on how to present this download link to your readers. If you opt to use a text block, simply add one to the spot where you want the link to appear in the email. Once the text block is in place, type the text your recipients will click on, such as "Download here," or any wording that clearly conveys the action. Highlight this text, locate the link icon within the email editor, and paste your previously copied file URL there. Should you prefer a more visually striking option, you can choose to use a button instead. Buttons can be more engaging and encourage clicks from your audience. To do this, insert a button block into your email, and during the button setup phase, paste your file URL into the button link settings. And voila! By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate attachments in your Mailchimp emails while maintaining excellent deliverability. Now, you can share resources, documents, or any crucial files directly with your audience, all with remarkable ease. Thank you for tuning in, and I truly hope you found this tutorial both informative and helpful.